Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be spending the next 24 hours on this cattle farm. And stick around because later today we have some awesome stuff to do with the cows. We've literally got to get all the cows out here round up and ran through that chute right there. First things first, you got to do the most important thing, and that is eat breakfast. Tell me that don't look good. Aw, man. When you're on the farm, you have to eat your breakfast on a tractor, or, what are you doing? Sausage, bacon, egg, and cheese. I'm about to sneeze. Oh, wait. Maybe I'm supposed to eat my breakfast on a hay bale. I'm eating lunch on a hay bale. I'm not sitting on it because it's got mold on it. And I don't know, it just doesn't seem good to sit on mold. Well, breakfast is over, dishes are washed, and all there's left is a piece of squash. But anyway, I cannot do this video looking like I just got back from a hunting camp, okay? I gotta be dressed in the right clothes. I have to be dressed like a cowboy. Okay, I don't have a real cowboy hat, but this will have to do. I think I'm gonna go back to what I regularly wear. Why does my hat look so crazy? Alright, so, oh my goodness gracious. But before we get started, I want to tell you everything we're doing is safe. I mean, literally, this is designed to be as safe as possible. So YouTube, robot, AI, chat, GPT person, don't worry about me, I'm okay. You need to go take care of those city slickers that think they know what they're doing, but they don't. See? Sit. Paw. That's a good doggy, yeah. You think OSHA would approve this?
Yeah, I'll probably put it over here.
I thought you could say, yeah, they would probably approve it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So yeah, once we get all the cows up here, we'll get them through there, run them through the gate. As we need them, we'll let them in here. We've got, yeah, this lever right here pulls that. You let a cow in, shut that, so only one cow could go in here. This is the headlock right here. You pull it, it tightens down on their neck. You got this, so when you pull it, it squeezes down on them and it helps calm them down a little bit and keeps them still for when you're giving them shots. We don't have a horse today, so we'll be taking a mule. Can't see out of the windshield, man. It's blurry. Yeah. Do a little windshield wiper motion. It was on the inside. Hello.
You get it tight. You can get it good.
Number 17.
Well, but you had to do it on both sides.
If we wrap it around that.
Well, no, here, just roll it up.
All right, so we really needed some sticks in the ground, but we just tightened this thing up enough. So now it can hold it off the ground.
Where the feed's at, I'm a holler farm.
Okay.
All right, Brady, what you have to do, all right, come on down here.
So if you didn't get what he was saying, when my brother gets back, he's bringing Poppy down there, and Poppy's gonna start calling for the cows. And if they hear him, they should go right to him. But anyway, when Brady gets back, he's gonna park the mule right there beside the fence. I'm gonna run up there, open that gate, come back down here, hop on my four-wheeler. I'm basically gonna make sure they don't run that way, and then kind of coax them to go down the levee. Then my brother, he's gonna pull out with the mule, and he's gonna keep them going. Now there's a chance they could cross the pond down there, so I'm gonna go around and make sure they don't do that. Now, the electric fence is high off the ground, so there's a chance a baby calf could get out in the field right here. If it does that, then once we get the cows going, I'm gonna have to try the best I can to get that calf back in here. You ready, Brady? Drive through that big mud puddle, and I just got covered in mud pretty much.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Almost got slapped in the face.
Get on up there. Get on up there. You grab that left gate, I grab the right gate. Come on.
That's good.
Let's go. Let's go.
Nice.
If I get them all that way, yeah.
Okay, now you need to set some things straight. This gate here, it ain't your way out.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Up. 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 Not too fast, Brady. Come on, just hold your hands out. Don't go in there too fast. Come on, let's go. Up. Let's go. Go. Ha. Close that gate. Close the gate. Close the gate. Fast.
You got it?
Bye.
Now they're caught. How's those?
They're talking big. You hear him?
Yeah. Goodness. We're just trying to get it set up to where they can have a rope to pull the gate. So you can kind of like chop the herd in half, basically. You happy with me right now? Number 16? Yeah, I ain't happy with you either. All right, so we got the wormer on the cow. We got some medicine we're gonna give it, and then we just tagged its ear. I didn't want to show y'all that. I don't know how YouTube was gonna like it, but yeah. No, I think those are huge. Because they gotta put a little.
What you do is put 2 meal in, y'all. 2 meal. The skin. All right. Woo. Close that gate. Jerk her down hard. Right about. Oh yeah. Oh, go, go.
So I know that red thing that the cows are going into, it may look like it's hurting the cows, and the cows may even make noises that sound like they're getting hurt, but it's not. It's made for people to, like, if they need a pet cow or something that they don't want to get hurt at all, to like trim their hooves or something, they can put it in there and not have to worry about it getting hurt. The cows, they don't like it. It's like their one bad day. These cows, they aren't meat cows. They're just for fun, like hobby cows. So not trying to hurt them, and we're being safe. We always keep something in between us and the cows, so you don't have to worry about that. And as you've seen, that bull kind of tried to jump out, but he could not get through that gate. The only thing he'd do was stick his head out and twist it around a little bit. That's all he could do. So with that in mind, let's keep watching.
Make sure it's down the middle of the back.
All right, we are done. Just got done like 5 minutes ago. We're packing up the stuff, so yeah, I got to go back out in the field, get my four-wheeler, but looks like the sheep found a way out. Right there. You messed up. But I got all my fishing stuff here. I'm gonna be doing a catfishing live stream, and by the time you've seen this video, you've probably already watched the live stream. So yeah, anyway, I've got to get my rods set up and everything for catfishing. I've got 2 rods to set up, and well, my bait caster, well, in my last live stream, I kind of got a bird's nest in it, so I'm gonna have to get it re-spooled and then get the hooks and everything and some weights set up. So let's see how that goes. There was just a random hook that you put on a hat, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. Ooh, that looks interesting. I like that because it kind of goes with the gold right there. Oh my goodness, do you want one of these hats too? Whoa, my goodness. What do you know? Well, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm over halfway there, I'll be giving away a replica of this hat. And hey, I might even put a fish hook on there for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so me can hit 1,000 subscribers. Ta-da! Well, if you'd like to see me catfishing, you could go check out that live stream on my channel. It's about 2 hours long, but I'm going to go ahead and save you some time. I didn't catch anything. I think I was supposed to wait till the spring, and catfishing is supposedly better at the night, and I didn't use live bait, and I was supposed to use live bait, so I was doing a lot of things wrong, but yeah. Long story short, I didn't catch anything, but I still had a great time with that live stream. And if you want, you can still go check it out. I think you'll enjoy it. But I will be doing some more live streams, so if you don't want to miss out on that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And first video to make in March and April, I'll be doing a $10 Amazon gift card giveaway. And like I said, at 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away this hat, a replica, this hat. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. I'll see you on the next adventure.
Hit that subscribe button if you know it's good for you.